I have bought and sold many cars in my young lifetime, and there are a few key things that you can do to your car which takes little effort that will bring the value of it up. And these are things that literally anyone can do, but very few actually do it. And if you do these things, you may actually want to keep your old car instead of buying a new, shiny one.
A modern stereo, because your old stereo is old. Look, we're in our car every single day, and for some hours of the day. What most brand new modern cars have is a touchscreen radio, and for some reason, some with large screens.
I don't think I will ever get past the infatuation of having a screen in your car that is as large as a flat screen TV. That makes no sense to me, but that's side of the matter.
A modern stereo instantly makes the interior of your car feel like it's in the modern decade, increasing its value and making it more enjoyable to drive in. For both my 08 Tahoe and my 2002 Mazda Miata, it was as easy as pulling out the old stereo and installing the new one with the correct wiring kit. Then you have a stereo that is modern, that can download any app from the Play Store, which is unlike all the modern cars since they don't have a Play Store, and you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for navigating and playing music.
Now, most people already have their cell phones that they can connect to their old stereo using Bluetooth. They can navigate, they can play music. Who cares about a stereo, right? Wrong. If we can prevent you from picking up your phone in the first place while driving, the safer a driver you will be, and the safer of a bystander I will be.
Plus, a suction cup mount on the windshield holding a phone doesn't increase the car's value or atmosphere. But what about those portable head units? There's a time and place for those, and my old antique Mercedes was perfect for that, same with my Astrovan. But for the same price as this Carplay portable head unit, you can buy a pretty solid Android double dinner radio. Restore the headlights.
So first impressions are so important, and I think it is the first 3 seconds that you meet somebody that you decide whether or not you actually like them.
You'll have negative impressions if the other person is slouching and don't look at you in the eyes. The same goes for a car. The headlights are the biggest things that make your car look much older and make you think, oh great, I have to drive this thing again? They can oxidize, fade, and get this yellowing, which stands out so much.
And the best part is that anybody can do this instead of spending hundreds of dollars on a new headlight. Really, you don't need any previous experience working on cars. All you need is soapy water, a restoration kit, and some time. Like doing the headlights on my Mazda Miata took roughly 30 minutes. And same for the hoe.
And just like that, you instantly increase your car's curb appeal, which not only makes the car look newer and much nicer, but it increased its value. Repair your crusty seats.
So this is my 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe, and it is an older GM vehicle. And my biggest complaint with this truck was its seats. It was terrible. It had tracking leather. It scratched the back of my legs while driving. And same with the headlights, the seats made a huge deal on first impressions. They were an eyesore.
After replacing the seat covers, the interior nearly looks brand new, and the seats are much more comfortable as the cushion on the seat covers themselves are not worn out and new.
Sure, you could buy seat covers, but in my opinion, that's just cheap, and that's not going to increase the value of your car.
Simply remove the seats, take off the old crusty seat covers, and replace them with a decent replacement, and you'll be 100 times happier. Dash cam.
So this is something that many people don't really think is necessary in their car, a dash cam. And in my opinion, they should be mandatory in every new car coming off the lot. Manufacturers can cheaply implement them into the cars, and then that will decrease insurance rates. Not only should they be mandatory in new cars, they should be mandatory in every car.
I have a high-tech AI-driven one in my Mazda Miata, which tracks where cars are and has blind spot monitoring, as well as it records both front and back of the car. The Tahoe has a cheaper but still amazing dash cam which only records the front. Both have Strava sensors, which is a must since it allows the camera to see license plates much easier during the night.
You might think, I don't need that, but after having a few close calls, you might change your mind. A sense of security goes a long way, and people will pay extra for it.
Detail your car.
And don't just clean your car, detail it. Clean the exterior, clean the interior, clean their door jambs, because the small things count. And especially, don't forget the gas cap.
That alone will make the car feel much nicer. Then spend an afternoon and clay bar your car to get rid of all the impurities in the paint, and finally Cerakote it like I did with my Miata. This will make the car shine for years to come and make it significantly easier to clean.
If doing this does not make you keep your older car or increase the value of it, then tell me down below. Everything I mentioned will be linked down below for convenience as well. And if you want to learn how to install a Delvin radio into your car, check out this video. Thank you for watching the video. It means a lot. This is Chris. See you next time.